This video is sponsored by War Thunder. War Thunder is the most comprehensive vehicle combat game of all time and is available for free on PC, consoles, and mobile. It's a heavily optimized game that delivers a lag-free experience and great visuals no matter where you decide to play. Take control of over 2,500 tanks, planes, helicopters, and ships from 10 major nations of the world. The combat is incredibly immersive because this game pays attention to detail. Realistic graphics, authentic sound design, and incredibly detailed vehicles put you right into the driver's seat of the most powerful war machines of our time. With the X-ray view, you'll even be able to see exactly what kind of damage your vehicle and its components underwent. This game does not use simple hitboxes. Take these war machines into battle against a worldwide community of over 95 million players in PvP battles with game modes for every type of player. If you're a new or returning player after 6 months on PC and consoles, then download War Thunder for free on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or mobile using my links below to get multiple premium vehicles and an exclusive vehicle decorator.
I think we're lost. I don't see the goblin tracks anymore. Well, we're deep into these woods now, and I don't see us easily finding a way out of here, let alone tracking these goblins.
This is your area of expertise, Ranger. What's the plan?
I'll use speak with animals. Who knows the forest more than those who call it home? Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Have you seen any goblins come through here?
Where?
Yes, where? Can you tell us?
In tree.
They're hiding in trees. That explains why we lost their tracks.
Ah, here.
They're here.
Here. Nut. Food.
Oh.
Hide again for winter. Where food?
Well, what's he saying? We're gonna need a different animal. All that squirrel can talk about is food.
Well, yeah. A squirrel's not an intelligent animal.
Unless you're talking to a more intelligent animal like a crow, raven, octopus, or dolphin, I don't really see a use for speak with animals. I thought it would be helpful because the animals are everywhere and they see almost everything. Waste of a spell slot, I say. No, it'll be fine. I just need another animal to talk to. Here. Greetings, lizard. Have you seen... That's another spell slot. Anyone up for a long rest?
No!
Okay, I'm going to use my last spell slot and cast Speak with Plants instead. Oh, great tree, could you direct us out of this forest?
What is this? Who am I?
I've granted you temporary sentience so that you may answer my questions.
I can think. I can speak.
Yes, now how do we leave these woods?
I don't know.
But you are of the forest, are you not?
Well, sure, but I'm a tree. I've never moved from this spot. As long as I've been alive, it has been trees all around.
Well then, did you see any goblins come through?
I know not what a goblin is.
Ah.
I'm all full of acorns.
Would it be so bad to split the party in this case? After you.
I no longer wish for this sentience. You acorns.
Thanks again to War Thunder for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to play it for free using my links below. New and returning players that haven't played in at least 6 months will also receive a massive bonus pack across PC and consoles, including multiple premium vehicles and other goodies.